Hi, I'm Nazmul Kazi from Montana State University, and today I'm going to talk about predicting biology-related Library of Congress subject headings for scholarly articles. Institutes catalogs the articles with proper subject headings so that the users can easily retrieve relevant articles from their institutional repositories. Library of Congress subject headings are one of the most popular vocabularies for cataloging scholarly articles, and has been widely adopted by large and small libraries all over the world. However, IR managers catalogs these articles manually using different subject headings, which is very resource consuming and covers only limited number of articles per day. Rapid growth of IR items is becoming a challenge for manual cataloging. There have been a few previous attempts to assign LCSH automatically. Aga et al. And Wartena et al. Attempts LCSH cataloging through keyword extraction from text. Painter shows a different approach by collecting LCSH concepts that are assigned to similar words or phrases. However, none of these approaches utilize any machine learning. To address the challenge of manual cataloging, we explore the feasibility of developing an automated pipeline for predicting LCSH for scholarly articles using machine learning. Our preliminary results indicates the effectiveness of our approach. We use web scraping to extract metadata of scholarly articles from RAM data of 27 institutional repositories. We use only the title, abstract, article type, and keywords for this study and discard all other metadata. Then we filter the articles with keyword that is a full string match with at least one of the subject names from 41st edition of LCSH. We filter out the biology-related subjects by retaining the concept biology and its descendants in the LCSH tree. Finally, we filter out the subjects that has at least 100 articles. Our dataset contains about 17,000 articles with 66 biology-related LCSH. We model the task of predicting LCSH concepts as a multi-level classification problem, and we develop two supervised machine learning models. Our baseline model is a decision tree model that uses TF-IDF scores as features. It uses both unigrams and bigrams as features. We trained our model over the top 10,000 features. We used lemmatization and stopword removal as standard preprocessing for this model. We use artificial neural networks to train our second model. This model also uses TF-IDF scores as input. The model contains three layers: one input layer, one hidden layer, and one output layer. The input layer contains 2,251 nodes. The hidden layer contains 132 nodes. The output layer contains 66 nodes, one for each subject. We evaluate our model using 5x5-fold stratified cross-validation. We evaluate the performance of our model using precision, recall, and F-measure. We use macro averaging for aggregating the performance across subjects. Our result shows the ANN model outperformed the DT model. The ANN model achieved an average F1 score of 0.44 compared to 0.37 achieved by the DT model. The performance of the DT model is seemingly immune to the frequency of subjects, whereas the performance scores of the ANN model suggest a positive correlation between the performance and the frequency. The DT model achieves the lowest F1 score when the subject frequency range is between 300 and 400. However, the ANN model achieves the lowest F1 score when the subject frequency range is also the lowest. Here is a different view of the model performance over subject frequency. Both models achieve their best performance score for the same subject, commencement ceremonies. They also show the least performance in the same subject, social psychology. We also assess the performance of the models per document type, which data is not shown here. Both models achieve the best and the worst performance score for the same document type. Thesis being the most and book is being the least easy to predict document type. Our preliminary results shows the feasibility of our approach. However, there are many different paths for future investigations. Sometimes a subject name such as psychology maps to more than one LCSH identifier. A chain classifier can be trained that includes a second classifier for disambiguation of LCSH IDs using the already predicted subjects to resolve this issue. Another approach is to map the articles using LCSH identifiers rather than names, including hand-engineered features, mesh terms, or other metadata fields can improve the performance. Using algorithms that leverage the hierarchy information of LCSH can also help to improve the performance. We would like to thank Patrick O'Brien and Canning Arledge from Montana State University Library and Jonathan Weller from University of New Mexico for helping us with their valuable time and resources in this project. Thank you for watching this presentation and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.